We're right at the edge, folks. This is Lord Enma's other dimensional form. This is one of the strongest forms Lord Enma has ever achieved. Tonight, at long last, we're gonna draw infinite Enma. Yeah, this is a transformation. This is a new form known as infinite Enma. One of the dimensional realities for Lord Enma himself. This is one of the other Enma's friends. I'm glad I got to draw him. Here is Lord Enma's crown. Alexa, play Big World, Big Adventures.
Here's Big World, Big Adventures, theme song by Thomas and Friends on Amazon Music.
Here is his crown. Just like the other Enma had his own crown. Here's his shoulder pad. Here's his ghost-like mark here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here we are. What the? That should stop. Alexa, play it again. That takes care of that. This crest on his back. This is Infinite Enma's. Well, this is how Infinite Enma decorations. That's his decoration. One black, the other white. Well, copper, if you ask me. There we go. Last thing to draw is his staff. That's how he is known as leader. There's his crest. Hey, Kumo! Don't eat that coconut! Sorry about that, fans. That's my neighbor's dog. She often slips into my yard. There we are. Here's his crest. Here we are. There he is. That's the legendary Salt Infinite Enma. This guy watches over the souls of his fellow comrades. I don't know how he does it, but I'm actually kind of proud that I actually got to draw him. I've finally done it. I've finally drawn all the Lord Enma related yokai. To be honest, I feel like there's more Lord Enma related yokai out there. I bet there's more than 100. If you're watching this, can you please let me know if there's any more Lord Enma related stuff? Because I've already drawn like the McCracken version of him. Probably shouldn't have brought that up. Anyway, if there's any more Lord Enma stuff, be sure to search through the Yokai Wiki and find them so I can draw them up and show them to you guys. I'm gonna show you how to draw them. The playlist is long and, well, I don't know when I'm going to find more Lord Enma related stuff, but I've got lots coming. Be sure to let me know when they're gonna be next. Anyways, good night, guys.